Here we'll write a program to generate n random numbers from given range and store in dictionary. So first in comment line we'll write, to generate a random number we have to import random. First we'll accept the n numbers that we are going to generate. So n equal to int, input, enter total number to generate. Then we'll accept the range. So st number equal to int, input, enter starting number. Then in en number we'll accept ending number and we'll use for loop. So for I in range 0, n, where n is the total number that we are going to generate. And we'll generate a random number and store in integer r. So r equal to random dot rand int, and here we'll give st number and en number. Here we are going to store it in dictionary. So we'll define one dictionary. So d equal to dict, which will generate an empty dictionary, and we'll add d of I equal to r. That is, it will generate a random number from starting number to ending number and store in dictionary. And outside the for loop we'll print the dictionary elements. So first we'll write message dictionary elements and we'll use for loop. So for key comma value in d dot items we will print key and value. So key comma, we'll give space between 2 comma value, and we execute. I'll give total number to generate as 5. I'll give starting number as 10, ending number as 20. It will generate 5 random numbers between 10 to 20 and store in dictionary. So here we have written a program to generate random numbers between the given range. For this, first we have defined empty dictionary and we have accepted 3 numbers, one for total number to generate and range, starting range and ending range. And using for loop we will generate the random number and store in dictionary. And then we will print the dictionary using for loop.